What is up, guys? We are starting the last vlog in Oregon for a while, which is sad. Heading off to that. We're falling onto the ground. I'm going to the gym for the last time here, but I do miss all the equipment and options my gym has in DC, so, you know. For this last workout, I'm gonna be utilizing the cable sheen as much as I can with my little Fit Girl ankle strap. Yes, this vlog begins my trek back to DC. Tomorrow I'm flying, so this is my last full day here with my parents, which is pretty sad. You're definitely gonna see them again. We're trying to plan a time for them to come visit me in DC in the spring, which I think would be so fun. And imagine DC vlogs with Paula and George. I won't be working out tomorrow just because I'll be flying all day. My flight's at noon, but I have to get to the airport at 11, and the airport's 2 hours away from here, so we have to leave at like 9. Here's one last look at Dwayne the Haystack Rock Johnson. When I say that, it makes me feel like I've been home for such a long time, because it feels like the whole Dwayne the Rock Johnson thing and when I was hanging out with Mary and stuff was so long ago. Oh, I'm gonna miss vlogging in my car. Such is life. You don't always have a car. I was watching some like HIIT cardio video and they said sprinting's better for the end of the workout, and I hate sprinting, but I think it'll feel good to end my workout with. Everything that's shining always gonna be gold. My last time at that little gym, it's so cute. Good times, we had some good memories there. We all made fun of John Tucker Must Die together. If you don't follow my Snapchat, then you don't know, but I would highly recommend following my Snapchat so you're in on these inside jokes. I literally have inside jokes with the people that follow me on Snapchat. Like Jenna Rose, if you know, you know. Literally comment down below the hashtag from my Snapchat of Jenna Rose if you remember. I'm on the pursuit of happiness and I know. How do you feel about my last day?
I'm very sad.
I know you are. This is my favorite.
Because you won't let me help you.
What? There's nothing you can do. I'm leaving forever. Bye. My favorite tuna, it's the Star-Kissed choke light tuna.
Doesn't need me anymore.
Excuse me, I'm trying to talk about tuna. And I'm putting a little bit of this coconut oil mayo. It doesn't have soy, so this is good. But it's kind of high in calorie for a mayo, but whatever. I think a serving is 1/3, but I'm probably gonna have half because I'm kind of hungry. I'm having it with these sweet potato crackers. Yum, they're from Costco, AKA heaven on earth. I just kind of like threw a handful in there, so yum. I'm leaving today on an airplane to go back to DC. Very sad, but excited at the same time. It's about 8:30. We're gonna leave at 9, so I'm just finishing up my makeup, and I don't usually do makeup to go on a plane, like ever. Well, I would normally just do my makeup on the plane when I was about to get off if I had the rest of the day left. But my skin has just been really red and like bothering me, and so I was like, okay, I'll put a little bit of foundation on, and then I was like, okay, I'll put a little bit of bronzer on, and then I was like, okay, I have a full face of makeup on. I'm gonna put waterproof on the bottom just because I'm probably gonna sleep and it's probably gonna get all over my face. And I'm flying to Dallas, Fort Worth, and then I have a layover there. I think it's like a little less than an hour, and then I'm flying to Ronald Reagan. Also, I have baby powder in my hair, so if you see that, that's probably I'm literally like leaning over here because the light's reflecting in the mirror. But yeah.
It won't clip.
It's not click. I have nothing happening.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's broken.
Well, kids, this is it. This is my classic goodbye shot saying goodbye to my room, which is always sad, but this time's particularly sad because I'm not exactly sure the next time I'll be back. Bye, room. Till we meet again. Goodbye puzzle that we didn't even finish. Okay, goodbye Christmas tree.
Last time.
Oh, so beautiful.
Alexa. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Alexa. Au revoir.
If you'd like to order something, go to settings in the Alexa app.
She's already plugging her merchandise. The Chronicles of my parents using Facebook. They're trying to wish people happy birthday, you know, because they're social people. Like, they want people to know that they're thinking of them on their birthday, right? This is in November. I see that my mom posts a Facebook status that is a picture of a little like graphic that says happy birthday, and her status says happy birthday beautiful woman, and all of these people are commenting on it. And they're like,
Because I posted it to my girlfriend Gina.
no, you did not. She thought she was sending it to her friend,
Happy birthday, Gina.
and then she just made it her own status and she had no idea. So all of these people were commenting like, oh, happy birthday, Paula. I had you down for December 7th, but is that wrong? It's just funny that all these people that were commenting on your post think that you were wishing yourself, a beautiful woman, a happy birthday.
I know. It was so
Another story, my dad just told me that he used to get text messages from Facebook that said, it's so-and-so's birthday, to wish them a happy birthday, press 1. And all he had to do was text the number 1 back and it would wish them a happy birthday. And then, what happened, Dad? You stopped getting those messages?
Stopped getting them, but recently I got a message that said, it's somebody's birthday, you know, go to Facebook and wish them happy birthday. And I didn't want to do that, so I just pressed 1. And I don't know where it went, what happened, but 2 people came back and liked my post.
So he just posted the number 1 on someone's wall. Don't become friends with my parents on Facebook, because this is the kind of things you're gonna see. Anyway, we are en route to the airport. Wow, look at that Oregon scenery. Would you just look at it? So many trees, such gray. I had avocado toast for breakfast. What else is new?
Okay.
Bye. Oh, it's
Bye,
so dark.
everybody.
They're gonna miss you. You're the star of the show.
Oh.
I'll have to FaceTime you to say hi to the vlog.
I'll miss
Okay,
you, sweetie.
till next time.
Bye.
On my way to the gate now. PDX carpet, gotta love it. There was like no one in line for security. It was great, except they still swabbed my hands for bombs. I remember freshman year, I made like a joke Twitter account for my roommate, well, my friend who later became my roommate, Melissa, would always just like say funny things. And one time she was like, the lady at the airport patted down my bun. Does that mean my hair is bomb? Never forget that. I made it back to DC. I'm not showing my face because my skin is absolutely disgusting and I'm exhausted. I'm excited to go home and sleep for a long time. When an employee already pulled off your bag from the cart before you got there because it was overweight, LOL. It was 54 pounds and then they let me take out 2 pounds worth of stuff and not charge me, so. I'm walking to get food right now because I have absolutely zero food in my apartment. I went to bed at like midnight this time last night. I woke up in the middle of the night for a while and then I set my alarm for 9 a.m. I don't remember waking up to it, and then I woke up at 11:30, so good going. I'm gonna go get some Chipotle and do some work on my laptop for a bit before I go to the gym, and I'm so excited to be back at my gym. Guys, my eating has been so weird since traveling because I didn't even have like a real dinner last night. The last thing I ate was like a snack quick at the airport before my flight, which was like 7:30 p.m. this time, and now it's 2 p.m. So I get a salad with brown rice, chicken, black beans, salsa, corn, veggies. Yum. Hi, I'm in Starbucks now. I've been here for a while. Everything is so cold. I'm editing the vlog I'm watching, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. I have a nice coffee and coconut milk. Okay, I just left the gym. Sorry, I literally have sucked at vlogging, but I didn't want to film there because it was really busy. And I have workout footage from home. I don't have any food, but like, I really don't feel like grocery shopping full on right now. It's kind of dark. I'm gonna get a few things here at Target, but they don't have much here. It's a small one. And the snacks I usually get here have soy in them, so I'm gonna have to mix it up. Valentine's Day, are you kidding? Some fruit and veggie. Thanks. Should I just get a whole bag? I'm worried I wouldn't use them in time. Don't they have to have bags for this? I'm so lost and confused and just a red little note. Guys, they don't have bags for produce, so I'm literally just throwing random fruits and vegetables and this feels so wrong. I've never seen strawberries this expensive at Target. Freaking out of season. Ugh. Do I dare? Sad discovery, these rice cakes that I love, the caramel ones from Quaker, they have soy lecithin in them, and you guys know I'm trying to cut out soy as much as I can to see if it helps my skin, and RIP. And also Luna bars have soy in them. I guess this helps me try and get rid of processed foods if I can and replace it with like fruits and veggies or snacks, but it's so sad. I love you. Okay, so I'm looking for some sort of like sweet potato cracker or chip, and the fewer the ingredients the better. This is not bad. It's just corn, potato, sweet potato, quinoa, chia, sugar and salt. Try these. I've never had them. I'm not endorsing them, I'm just trying them. Way better sweet potato tortilla chips. I love sweet potato tortilla chips. Why must you have soy? Why must bad things happen to half decent people? But also, like, as much as I love Luna bars, look at all those ingredients. Like, it is a lot. The first thing in it is soy protein. Goodbye, old friend. Fun fact, I'm not really a fan of Fifth Harmony, but I love this song. You'll be happy to know I'm not gonna get the instant one with a bunch of sugar in it. I'm just getting plain oats. Grown up. I didn't know Tone It Up had like products they sold in Target. I just saw this. I was like, is this the Tone It Up I think it is? And it's Karina and Katrina. That's so exciting. They have so much. I'm allergic to this, but go you guys. You're amazing. If you don't know them, I'll link their channel down below. They have the best like workouts and stuff. Oh, I've been up and down every aisle like 6 times, so I guess it's time to go. Okay guys, so I just left Target and I'm headed home now, and I think I'm just gonna end my vlog here. I know they've just been bad. Like, I feel like my vlogs have been really lame lately, but they're gonna get better, I promise. So just hang in there and subscribe. Oh yeah, this is going up tomorrow, and then I'll see you in my next vlog on Sunday.
I can't stop.